On to POUSE around the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit a hose connector like that to a length of hose like this. So first of all, we just unscrew this nut off the hose connector by rotating anti-clockwise. If you take a look inside, you can see the bit the water flows through in the centre, and you can see this perforated plastic ring around the edge. We need to get the hose pipe in that gap between the two bits of plastic. If you look at the end of this hose, it's lovely and clean. If yours is a bit rough, you definitely want to give a nice clean cut through the hose pipe. You can do this using a scissors, a secateurs or a sharp knife. And once you have a nice clean end to your hose, place the nut of the connector over the hose, then take the connector and place the hose in that gap between the two bits of plastic. Then rotate gently whilst pushing like that, forcing the connector onto the hose pipe as far as it'll go. Now take the nut and place it onto the plastic thread of the connector, rotate clockwise, tighten up, and then when it feels tight, just give it one last gentle nip up, and that will now create a nice tight seal onto the hose. So if you found this video useful, then please give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been POUSE around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.